This is the Confection Companions Embossing Folder from Spellbinders. It's a 3D embossing folder and it's nice and large. It's 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches. One of my favorite ways to use 3D embossing folders is taping them in my embossing folder and inking that background. I did ink my cardstock here before time to create an ombre look, but by inking that background, we get a more striking image and it gives you a different way of using that embossing folder. I repeat this process many times, probably about 3 or 4 on average. For this particular one, I ended up, I think, doing it about 5 times, but it creates a contrast between the background of the cardstock and the embossed images. This here is such a fun one. It goes with the Make It and Bake It collection, and it works really well with all of the dies in that set. Perfect for any baking themed cards or like mixed media projects or scrapbook pages. These would be great for scrapbook pages or mini albums. Here is the finished result as a card, and then you could also easily use it just with some plain cardstock and leave that uninked. I love the look of this for some texture on the background of the cards.